How nice is this 255? Today we're out here doing some commissioning. We've got Pete from AMI with us. He's helping us run through setting up a few of the products we put on this boat. It's a really comprehensive fit up this boat. It's really set up for a bit of everything. So let's go through what we put in this boat today.
Hi, I'm Peter from the AMI Group. We're one of Edencraft's supply partners. We're a wholesale operation and we've supplied a fair bit of stuff for this beautiful Edencraft 255. And today we're just out here on handover day, commissioning a lot of the products, just making sure everything's performing properly, and then off it goes.
So like all our 255s, we've got an awesome dash layout here, plenty of space for technology. We've got a nice set of triple Raymarine screens on here. These are 19-inch, so we've got no shortage of data here, Pete. We've got plenty of your instruments with all that data here. Obviously, zip wakes, with control of all that through this screen here. At the moment, we've got this set up. Do you want to talk us through this?
Yep, so this is the zip wake interface from the optional zip wake integrator module. And we've got full control of the zip wake system from this touchscreen here. This boat's actually got a few extra bits. It's got the standard control panel over near the throttles here. And we've got a zip wake mini controller as well, which is nice and easy to use. Some people struggle a little bit using touchscreens at sea in rough conditions, so it's always handy to have a set of wheels and buttons. So
yeah, I love this wheel. It's so easy to, you know, really precise and super easy to make adjustments on the go. So yeah, I really like this thing.
Yeah, and we've got the engine data and fuel tank level fed into a Veritron VMH70 multifunction little display. So that'll give us our revs and engine alarms and fuel flow, the works. So that's a pretty cool little bit of setup. Yeah, look, this boat's also got a Sleipner proportional DC bow thruster in it. It's Edencraft's first bow thruster install ever, so it's pretty good to be able to work with the guys and get them off the ground with bow thruster installs. It's a fully proportional bow thruster, so you've got fingertip control over how much thrust you get from the bow thruster. Makes docking a lot easier, and it's just a good handy thing to have up your sleeve, make you a bit more confident.
One of the features I really love are these Sanchion searchlights. We've got a massive light up here on the roof. It's a full 360-degree searchlight, LED, and I've got full control here with the buttons, and it's super handy for coming in at night, trying to find some poles, or if you're navigating through a bar, you want to find waves breaking or rocks. It's a really handy light to have here, and this one's one of the best ones we've used. Very cool. Down the back here, we've got a pair of V8 Verado Mercury 250 horsepowers. Really nice pair of motors on this. They've got the electric steering, so they're super light. Really hums along nicely in the sort of mid 90 kilometers an hour. That mid-range is just super happy, sitting at 3,500 RPM, burning about 0.8 of a kilometre per litre. Really nice pair of motors on this boat.
Okay, so what we got back here is a Marco DP9E saltwater deck wash pump. It produces 65 PSI of pressure, so plenty of pressure to squirt the blood and guts and whatever else you've got on the deck. It's also got the Marco Magic hose, which is a nice, soft, flexible hose, easy to store in the locker. We've also got the Marco Quick Connect fitting, so if you don't want the hose connected all the time, you can just disconnect it there, click it in when you want. All right, so here I am down in the forward V-berth area. It's pretty cool. You just lift up the hatches, you've got access to the toilet. This particular toilet's a Tecma toilet from Italy. They're just bulletproof, nice quiet flush, and nice and compact. This particular model fits in that space perfectly.
The colours of this boat are just super classy. The full white hull, white hardtop, white motors just tie in really nicely with these tan coaming pads, tan seats, and it just ties in really nice with this marine deck flooring. This is a cork product. It's all cork particles bonded together. Super tough wearing. It's nice under feet. It should clean up really well, get tuner blood and everything out. You can scrub it out, right?
Yeah. Most stuff just hoses off.
Yeah.
And we did something pretty special with this. We got the sheets sort of bound together. Got a company up on the Gold Coast called Ocean Degree. They did all the CNC machining and squirted the corking into the decking, finished it all off, sanded it beautifully, and then Edencraft just simply had to glue it down. But yeah, it's an awesome product. Comes out of the Netherlands, and it's got sound ending properties, and it also is nice and cool underfoot out the sun. You know, it's not a product that gets hot or anything like that. So
really good for those northern climates.
Looks good as well.